Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IDXG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right here, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. But want to get the chart updated here. Update's probably not the right word because there's no new levels of support or resistance, but more so confirmation of some levels that I've talked about, namely this level right here at $1.20, that red line there. Now, if you watched the video from yesterday, this will mean a little bit more to those of you, but for those of you that watched the video and hopefully remember, I talked about $1.20 as resistance, and when I say confirmation, you can see that the chart did indeed give us that during the first 30 minutes. Right here, the price exploded up nicely. But surprise, surprise, struggled right up there around $1.20. Did temporarily break through it, but that didn't last very long. And then the price eventually closed back below it. And then for the remainder of the day, just kind of hung around right below it. So I'm not saying that $1.20 can't be broken or anything like that. I'm just saying, again, that we do have confirmation that $1.20, for whatever reason, does seem to have some sellers up there. The same sellers that, knocked it down there and knocked it down over here. So $1.20 still definitely that key level of resistance. Although because the price is not sitting that far. So the good news is it's not like the price has to travel a big distance. Here this morning, the price had to go all the way up there before finally doing, battle with it. Here, because the price closed right there, the price only needs to travel that distance to do battle. So I do want to map out one more area of resistance just in case the price is able to fight through it. And that next key area of resistance right up there around the $1.45 mark. So $1.20 is still that first, hurdle that needs to be cleared. But if the price can get up above that, then, right around that $1.45 mark, is going to be that next key battleground. In regards to levels of resistance, nothing new here to report. Talked about this level down here at 90 cents yesterday, and as you can see, the price didn't even come close to it. So 90 cents still that key overall area of support. So all in all, a good solid day, not exactly, hugely exciting, but the bulls are making progress. That set of bases right here. Now they're working on this set of bases. So we'll see if they can, keep building kind of this little stair step in the upwards direction or not. So still 2 days left this week. We'll see how it all unfolds. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.